Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Nails by Shay. Make sure before we get started that you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Let me know how you guys' day was going. It is Sunday, I think, and it is cold and raining outside, so I decided to do some unboxings. So I hope you join me. Don't forget to tap that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, okay? So let's get into what this video is all about. See you in the next clip. Okay, so for today's video, we are unboxing the House of Supplies nail art bag. This is a monthly nail subscription and it is $12.99, but from what I just seen on the website, they bumped it up to $2 more, so it is now $14.99 for some nail art. It's supposed to be trending nail art. They also have a vanity one, they have a gel polish, they have acrylic powder, and they have a nail tool subscription box. I think that's about all, if I'm not mistaken. I will have the link down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But this is the December House of Supply bag, and we're going to unbox and see what we have. So if you want to see what I got in December's bag, then you know what to do. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it open right quick, block my address out. So how are you guys doing today? Let me know down below. Alright, that's now open, and we're going to pull out the first thing. So the first thing we got is this right here, and I'm gonna flip it over. I just want it to be a surprise because I don't know what it is. So 1, 2, 3, and it is some nail crystals. Here they are right here. Let me see if I can unbag it right quick and see exactly what we're working with. It is sealed pretty good, so I'm just gonna cut it open so you guys can see what I see. And I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. So this says, I think it says Dior in the middle, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it is a nice Dior rhinestone gem. It has AB crystals around it, and it is so pretty. Yes, it is Dior, so it'll look nice on a nail. So yeah, we got that item. And anything that I do not like or want, I will be putting in my giveaway once I hit 100 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe and tap the bell so you can be notified when I do have my giveaway video. And the next thing we have is I don't know what this is. Can somebody down below, if you guys know what it is, let me know, because yeah, I don't know. I've never seen this before. But it has a screw type thing to it. So, but this is what it looks like here. It has a gem, and it has this. I don't know what it is, but oh, okay. I don't know. I still don't know. But it has a little drill thing. So maybe it's like a hole puncher that you can put circles in it, so you can put dangly charms on. So yeah, we have that item. Let me see, because it's another screw thing, so I'm gonna see if this unscrews as well. Nope, this doesn't unscrew. All right, so that is that item. Okay, now I can't put it back together. Okay, that's that. And then the next item that we have is some more charms, and these look like they're planets. So, and they're blue, they're gold, nice colored gold, by the way. And this is what they look like. Yeah, they look like nice little cute planets. I see a star on it. I'm just gonna put it right here so you guys could see it better. This is what that looks like. And I got something similar to this on Shein. I'm just waiting for that haul to come out. This is what that looks like. And then the next thing that we got in the bag. Okay. All right. Some more repeat items. Y'all already know what this is. This is my third time getting it, and I'm going to put it in a giveaway because, yeah, I already have 2 of them. So y'all look forward to having some zodiac signs. I'm not even going to open it because y'all have seen it twice already, and I don't want to bore you guys, but these are the nail charms, zodiac signs that you can put on your nails. That's one thing I don't like, repeat items, but hey, you get what you pay for and you don't know what it is. And the next and last thing is, okay, we have another cuticle oil, but this is in the scent rose. The other one I got was strawberry and I think a lavender one. So I guess you can't never have too many, but I'm not going to keep this because I don't like the smell of floral things. But this is what this looks like. And it is 0.67 fluid ounces and 20 milliliters of cuticle oil. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. So you guys, that is everything in this box. So we have a cuticle oil. We have a nail drip bit thingy that I cannot screw on or off. Okay, there we go. Nope. Okay, there we go. Back on. We got a nail drilly thing. We have some zodiac signs. We have some planet star. Is this blue or black? It looks blue. I'm gonna say blue. Yes, blue. I see it. Okay. We have some nail charms. And lastly, we have some Dior. Look at that shine, y'all. We have some Dior rhinestone charms. And it's good because it's like curved a little bit so to fit the nail perfectly. So yeah, this is everything I got for $12.99. As I said before, if you are interested in these things, they are from House of Supplies, and they are now $14.99 and not $12.99. And I will have the link down below to the site where you can get this nail subscription. Okay, so let me see. Out of all of this, my favorite would probably have to be the Dior rhinestone charms. So let me know down below which one of these things are your favorite. Y'all already know my least favorite, the Zodiacs. So yeah, this is everything that is in my bag. I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna cancel the nail art because I could just buy nail art from Shein and AliExpress and Amazon, and I'm just gonna go with the gel polish one because I really need gel polish. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is before or after Christmas or New Year's, Merry Christmas, and you guys have a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.